Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Sugar by Maroon 5. This is about an intermediate level dance, so enjoy. If you would like to do this dance with music, once you learn it here, you should be able to find the link to the short that I posted earlier this week where I do this dance with music. I link that in my description box below. And if you don't know any of this or some of the steps that I do in this tutorial, there most likely is a tutorial going over that step in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist. So if you don't know a step in this tutorial, go ahead and find my Tap Step Tutorials playlist, which I linked in my description box below as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with a 5-count riff, a 7-count riff, and then a 9-count riff. So starting on the right foot, we're going to start with our 5, then the 7. So this isn't a usual 7. Usually a 7 has slow heels. We're going to speed the heels up. Ba-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da. There we go. And a 1E and a 2. Okay? So a 5 and a 7, and then your 9 is going to go on the right foot just like the 5. And you are more than welcome to do a crawl if you feel like it. And then you're going to repeat that 5 and then a 7 left, now starting on the left and right. And then we're going to do a riff rhythm turn on the left, which is like a turning 9-count riff, you could say. So start with the riff, brush step over, and then left heel, left toe, left, right, left, right. That's how we get out of that turn. So we have a 5, a 7, a 9, 5, 7, and then the riff rhythm turn. Let's go through that again here. So we have a 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, turn. There we go. Now we're going to go into some drawbacks and Cincinnatis. We have 4 drawbacks starting on that left foot because we just dropped the weight in our toe of our right foot. So we're going to start on our left. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 Cincinnatis, 1 on the left, 1 on the right. Shuffle, heel, drawback, shuffle, heel, drawback. Back to those drawbacks starting from the top on the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cincinnatis again, 2 of them. First one you are going to end with a drawback. Second one you're going to end shuffle, heel, stomp. That way we can easily switch now to the left side to move on to a new step. So we just finished our rhythm turn. Then we start our drawbacks. 1, 2, 3, 4 Cincinnati. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 Cincinnati. Shuffle, heel, stomp. Good. From here, we're going to go into 3 maxi forwards on the left, starting on the left. So maxi forward here, left side. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to do what's it called, an around the world cramp roll. It's not your regular cramp roll, left, right, left, right. You're going to go left, right, right, left. That way we can switch to the right side. So we're going to go left, right heel, and left heel. So it's called an around the world because you are continuing on the same heel as the same toe that just dropped. Okay, so we did our maxi forwards. We have 1, 2, 3, and then left, right, right, left. Now right foot's ready to go. 3 maxi forwards. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, missed a shuffle on that one. And then this right foot cramp roll is going to be a regular cramp roll. Right, left, right, left. So it's kind of a tricky part in the dance. Watch out for that. First cramp roll is an around the world. Second cramp roll is a regular. Okay. So let's try that maxi forward section again, starting on we just finished here, shuffle, heel, stomp from the Cincinnati, from the maxi forward. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, left, right, right, left. 1, 2, 3, right, left, right, left. From here, we're going to do that scuff heel, brush heel, toe heel, stomp. I don't think it has a name, but you're going to start on your right foot. You're going to go scuff, heel, brush heel, and then toe heel and stomp. So it all takes place on this same foot. If you can't do it that fast with the heels on the other foot, then take out the heels on the left foot and just go scuff, brush, toe, stomp. Okay? Takes up the same amount of time, it's just that you're not subdividing it as much with that extra heel. So on the right foot we have scuff, brush, toe. Then we repeat that on the left side, scuff, brush, toe, stomp. And then we have step, step, double pull back, right, left, and then double pullbacks on your right. So it's step, step, double pull back right. Again, step, step, double pull back. And then we have step, step, 2 double pullbacks. And then step, step, right, left. And that's where we ended the dance. Okay, so to go over that section again, we have scuff, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, stomp, left side. Step, step, pull back. Step, step, 2. Step, stomp. Okay. Okay, from the very top, let's go through it again, and I'll talk us through I'll say the steps out loud, and then second time through, I won't say the steps out loud, and it'll be up to tempo, as if we were doing it with music, but no music. Okay, so starting with those riffs, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, turn, and here we go. Starting on the right foot, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, left side, 5, 7, turn, draw back, Cincinnati, maxi forward, good, and scuff, brush, toe, pull back. Nicely done. All right, my first maxi forward on the left. I missed part of the sound on my shuffle, so sorry about that. It happens when you have kind of a small board. Your foot sometimes will brush off the side of the board and you won't get a sound, so it happens. All right, let's go ahead and try it again from the top. So up to tempo. I believe that was about up to tempo, but I'm not going to be saying the steps this time, okay? So one more time here. Starting from the top. And if you didn't quite catch part of the dance, you can always slow it down, pause it, rewind it, whatever you need to do to work on it, and then finish it up here. And then again, if you want to do the dance with music, it's linked in my description box below. It's a short that I posted earlier this week. All right, here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. I forgot how fast the transition was. I just want to touch on it. The transition between the last scuff, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, stomp, and then right away into that step, step. So you go stomp, step, step. Okay, kind of a faster transition, and I forgot about it, so I just wanted to mention it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or step suggestion, go ahead and leave it down in the comments section below. Oh, I'm out of breath. And if you would like to do this dance with music now that you've learned it, you can find the link to that video in my description box below. I think that's it. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.